Toyota Camry 2007. To take off this bumper, so we need to get out some bolts. Here is a left side, the front left side. It's a plastic bolt. And then we need to take off these one, and here is one, and in front of port here is one, and another one, and another one, and this is the front right side. So the same thing. Take off this and these. So, and a few on the top. I need to open the hood. So this is I'm gonna come here and pull this. Open the hood. Open the hood. As you can see, the middle, and I took this before, so I changed the bolts. It's 10mm bolts. Okay, yours might be different from mine. I changed it. It's not an OEM anymore. Okay, I changed it. So in the middle one, so that on the top it's the 3. Just need to take this. You don't need to take these off. Okay, you don't need to keep it. Just these 3 metal bolts. Okay, take them off and see. Okay, maybe there is bolts here. I'm not sure, but it might be. We might have it. The other, oh, there is hidden one. Look. So on both sides there's 2 hidden one. So when you pull this guard here, you can see 2 sides both have one. You have. Okay, let's get started. Plastic one. I just needed 2 screwdriver and. Okay. So first, I need to rotate it in this direction. Okay, and then I kind of a little bit. Might be this direction. You can try both. Okay, oh, this direction, yeah. So now you can just directly pull it out. Use this. It might be not that easy, but see, it's easy. Pull it out. Let's pull it out. You do the same to the other side. Okay, let's go there. It's already this direction. After you install it, it should be in this direction. Okay, but you can rotate it. You can rotate it to this direction, and then you kind of turn it out. Okay, should be straightforward. Okay, like this. Okay, 2 rings, and then the wrench, 10mm socket, 10mm socket, and then use this, put them on. Okay, got it. So first one, let's try it. Okay, make sure it's anti-clockwise. Okay. Stay off quickly. Then you should hold still. Pretty tight. Okay, now you should use hands. It's much easier. See, let's get it off. All right, the other side. Okay, let's get off. This one, same thing. Okay. Anti-clockwise. When you feel it is really loose, so you can just use hands. I feel it's loose, so I think I can just use hands. See, it's really. Now I'm gonna take off the 5 bolts right under the bumper front part. So that's the first one. So let's get this off. The whole process kind of straightforward. Okay, get it off. Okay, that's one. Let's give it a second one. Second one, something. Okay, 10. They all are 10mm, but this one I can use hands. It's easier. Okay, second one. Let's get it. I guess the not 5 is 4. Okay, 4. You can just use hands. See? Third one. And the last one. At the bottom one, the last one. Okay, it should be. Look, pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Under the bumper, the front part, only 4. Okay, so 4 ones. Okay. Okay, for the top 3 bolts, in the middle one still 10mm. Okay, still 10mm. So same process. Okay, should be straightforward. Okay, use hands. And just use hands. 10mm. Okay, look. That's one. And for my, on the 2 sides, your situation gonna be, you probably use a screwdriver, but for me, I just simply use this little. It's like IKEA furniture. It's still 10mm, okay, but I changed this. I used this aftermarket bolt, so it makes it easier. OEM one, I don't think it's easy to get it off, so it took some effort, and I ruined that bolt. So let's okay, and I'm gonna take this off. This one kind of use hands. Okay. Okay, I got a screwdriver. So look, it's hidden one. As you can see, it's here, right under this corner. Look. So I'm gonna use a screwdriver to rotate it. It's easy to. This one is easy to get off. Kind of easy. You can also use 10mm. You can also use the saw. 10mm socket. It's off. Use hands. Okay, it's off. Yay, good job. Put it here. And take off the other side. Okay. This one. Let me see. This one is here. Do the same thing, okay. This one, as you can see, I used a different one, aftermarket. Okay, so I took this bumper off before. So as you can see, that's two sides. The original OEM one looks like this. I used this to replace it because my OEM part one was rusty, so I just replaced. That's the top three bolts. Okay, so now you should be able to take off the bumper completely. Okay, now I can just take it off. Okay. Oops. See, it's totally off.